Alright everybody, welcome back. This is our recap and random for our 2014 Panini Prizm World Cup Soccer Break, brought to you by Guzman_15 on eBay. This is break number 10 for auctions ending 6/23/2014. First off, we will random off the host city cards. There's 4 of them. They will be random among all 32 teams. So, first up, we have Rio de Janeiro. Let's hope this picks it up right away now. There we go. So, we'll hit it 3 times. There are 32 items in my list. On top, Iran once. 2 times Bosnia, third and final, good luck. Team USA, 3 times. USA 3 times. So USA gets the Rio de Janeiro. Next up we have the red, white, and yellow Team Brasilia. Host city, not team. Host city Brasilia. So let me get these back in the randomizer. We'll have all teams in there again. 3 times, good luck. 32 teams, Mexico 1 time. 2 times Spain, third and final, good luck. Honduras 3 times. Doesn't read very good, does it? 3 times. Honduras takes home host city Brasilia. Next up we have host city Recife, and that is a refractor one. So good luck to all the teams in this one. Here we go. 1 time Spain on top, 2 times Belgium, third and final, good luck. Team Australia, 3 times Australia. Congrats to Australia. And our final host city is Suyaba base. So we'll put that one in. There we go. Alright, 3 times, good luck. Ghana, 1 time. 2 times Honduras, third and final, good luck. Argentina. Team Argentina, 3 times Argentina. So congrats to Argentina. Next up, we will do the random between the duels. There is 6 of them. First up will be Chiellini and Ramos. Let me get their names in the randomizer, and we'll do them 3 times. Alright, here we go. Chiellini and Ramos. 1 time Ramos, 2 times Chiellini, third and final, good luck. Chiellini stays on top 3 times. Chiellini 3 times. Next up, we have red, white, and blue, Schweinsteiger and Nani for Portugal. So we have Schwein and Nani. Here we go. Good luck to you two. Come on, focus. There we go. 1 time Schweinsteiger, 2 times Schweinsteiger, third and final. Schweinsteiger 3 times, stays on top every one. Next up we have Falcao and Neymar Jr. Falcao and Neymar Jr. Alright. Good luck. 1 time, Neymar Jr. 2 times, Neymar Jr. Third and final, good luck. 3 times, Neymar Jr. 3 times, Neymar Jr. Next up, we have Gervino and Honda base insert. Gervino and Honda. Alright, here we go. Good luck to the two owners of this. Gervino and Honda. 1 time Gervino, 2 times Gervino, third and final, good luck. Honda, 3 times. Third time Honda. Alright, next up we have Neuer and Howard. Neuer and Howard. Neuer and Howard. Alright, good luck to the two participants. Neuer and Howard. 1 time Neuer, 2 times Neuer, third and final. Neuer stays on top 3 times. And the final random of the break is red, white, and blue. Kokerin and Hazard. Kokerin and Hazard. So, here we go. Kokerin and Hazard. 1 time Hazard. 2 times Kokerin. Third and final, good luck. Kokerin 3 times. Kokerin 3 times. Okay. Alright, on to the rest of the results. We had a Ronaldo aerial assault. We had Guardians, Akinfeev, Barry, Bravo, Caesar, and Benaglio. We had team cards of Colombia, United States, Ecuador, red, white, and yellow, Croatia, Spain, Ivory Coast, and Korea. We had net finders, Neymar Jr., Villa, Refractor, Podolski, Suarez, Hernandez, red, white, and blue, blue out of 199, Neymar Jr., and Messi. Cup captains, Karagunis, red, white, and blue. I gotta fix this stack here. Dominguez, Gerard, red out of 149, Dominguez, Donovan, Drogba, red, white, and yellow, Buhera, and Ruiz. World Cup stars, red, white, and yellow, E2, Company, Refractor, Lampard, really nice blue, Messi out of 199, E2, Osil, Cannavaro, Kempis, Dempsey, red, white, and blue, Suarez. As for the base parallels, we had a blue out of 199, Young, Zuniga, red, white, and blue, Figueroa, red, white, and yellow, Manzuic, red, white, and blue, Refractor, Paulino, blue out of 199, Lampard, red, white, and blue, Falani, red, white, and blue, Carnizes, red, white, and yellow, Garay, Refractor, Dos Santos, purple, Ruiz out of 99, Costly, red, white, and blue, Roos, Refractor, red, white, and yellow, Evra, and red, white, and blue, Etange. Then for our big hitters, we managed to hit an auto in every box. The first one was Pepe for Portugal, followed by Figo for Portugal. So they did very well. And last but not least, Colombia, Falcao. Thanks again, everybody. We've only done half the case, so there still should be a few more autos and something lower numbered, I do believe. I'll have those auctions up tomorrow, so if anyone's interested, check it out. Thanks again. Later.